So guys, welcome to Mr.Magic, and in today's video we are going to learn how to do the giant man photo manipulation with picsart. So for this editing I am using mountains as the reference frame, but you can use anything like cityscape or whatever you want. So after adding the main reference photo, click on the add photos option and add the model you want to make giant. And now just before placing the model in the right place, click on the cutout option and select only the model properly. So after the cutout, add the photo in the right place and then click on the above eraser icon. And then erase the lower portion of the legs as they are behind the mountain, and also zoom in the photo and erase all unnecessary borders for more accuracy. So after erasing properly, clarify your photo more with the adjust option. So for more natural look, I am adding a PNG cloud. You can get these photos from Google easily. So guys, that was all for today. Thanks for watching. Like the video if you liked it, and if you are new to my channel then click on the subscribe button, and for awesome PUBG glitches and troll videos just go through my channel. So see you again in my next video.